Good morning all. Today let us learn about the concept called steering geometry secondary angles. The topics which can come under this concept are steering axis inclination, inclined angle, scrub radius, setback, thrust angle, steering center and toe out on turns. Let us study about these topics one by one. First one will be steering axis inclination. As stated here, it is the measure in degrees of the degrees of steering pivot line when viewed from the front of the vehicle, and this same can be easily visualized or understood using the following figure. Like caster, it provides directional stability, and if this inclination is different from side to side, it will cause a pull at very slow speeds. And again, steering axis inclination is a non-adjustable angle. It is used with camber and incline angle to diagnose bends, spindles, struts and mislocated cross members. The main cause for this steering angle inclination issue is the bent parts. So again, if you can see this figure, this is the true vertical and this is the suspension setup. The condition here is that we have to be seeing it from the front of the vehicle to correctly measure it or to see it. Second one will be inclined angle. So as stated again, it is the sum of the camber and steering axis inclination. Again, this can be easily understood by the following figure. Consider this will be the camber and this is the true vertical. So the overall angle formed between these two will be the inclined angle. This angle is used as reference during diagnosis of bent suspension parts. Again, if the camber is negative, then the inclined angle will be less than the steering axis inclination, and if the camber is positive, then it will be the greater than steering axis inclination. So the next topic is scrub radius. Again, as defined here, it is the distance between the extended center line of the steering axis and the center line of the tire where tread touches the road. So this can be again easily understood using the following figure. The distance as seen in the figure must be exactly the same from the side to side, otherwise the vehicle will pull strongly. If the steering center line is inboard of the center line, then the scrub radius is positive, and if the steering line or the steering center line is outbound, then the tire center line, the scrub radius is negative. So again, the next topic will be setback. So the setback, it is the condition in which one front wheel is set further back than the other. So again, this can be easily visualized or understood using the following figure. As you can see here, the difference between this line or this line, that is the front portion condition of the front wheels. The difference between these two is termed as setback. And the next topic will be thrust angle. As defined here, it is the direction that the rear wheel are directed with respect to center line of the wheel. So again, when we see the figure, see this will be the direction of the vehicle, but because of this angle, the thrust of the vehicle is created towards this line, that is the thrust line. So the vehicle will detract if this angle is not zero. So the best solution to this is to first adjust the rear toe of the center line and then adjust the front toe. So again, the last topic under this will be toe out on turns. As defined here, this is the condition in which During a turn, outside front wheel has to navigate a wider arc than the inside. So what does this mean? This can be understood using the following figure. See the angles here. For example, I have taken it as 22 and 20 degrees. See, this is being outside wheel. It is taking an angle of 20 degrees, and whereas this wheel is taking an angle of 22 degrees. So this condition in which the outside front wheel has to navigate a wider angle during a turn is termed as toe-out turns. It is generally measured by the turning angle gauge. Hope you have understood the topics under this steering geometry secondary angles. Thank you.